Welcome back. It's time now to take a look at the top business stories. Etisalat to invest $15 billion into its fiber optic network. Industrial areas set to be best performers for property market in 2011. And Japanese stocks rise for the first time in 5 trading days. Let's look at the equity markets first. The UAE bourses ended mixed today. Dubai's DFM General Index rose 0.5% to close at 1,454 points. The utility sector gained the most. Cooling company Tabreed, for instance, gained nearly 3%. Other stocks to watch are Arab Tech Holding. Its shares gained 2.2%. Aramex rose 1.7%. EMA Properties was up 1.5%. Union Properties gained 2%. 94 million shares were traded, valued at 140 million dirhams. And over in the capital, the ADX again fell 0.6% to close at 2,600 points, with the construction sector posting the largest losses. Ras Al Khaimah Ceramic Company fell 7%. Sharjah Cement and Industrial Development Company dropped 4.2%. Alder Properties gained 0.8%, and Silver Real Estate rose 2%. The banking sector was mixed. Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank gained 0.4% and Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank climbed 0.3%, while Sharjah Islamic Bank fell 4.2%. Index heavyweight Etisalat fell 0.5%. 61 million shares were traded, valued at 111 million dirhams. And now let's look at the GCC markets, which ended mainly lower today. And to take a closer look at the economic impact of the earthquake that hit Japan last week, we're now joined by Philippe Dauba-Pantanacce, senior economist for the MENA region at Standard Chartered Bank. Welcome to the show, Philippe. How large is the impact of the earthquake and tsunami on the Japanese economy in the next years to come, do you think?
Japan is still the third biggest economy in the world, so it has tremendous resources at its disposal to face the current disaster. We estimate that the region that was hit by the earthquake is around 7 to 8% of Japan's GDP, against 14% in the Kobe disaster in '95. Generally, what happens is that you have a V-shaped sort of recovery. The economy first contracts because you have cessation or rupture of activity in many sectors, and it is followed by a mini boom in reconstruction area, typically. We estimate, a low estimate is that if, and that is a big if, we exclude a major nuclear meltdown, the total cost of reconstruction would be 1% of Japan's GDP.
Let's hope nothing will happen in Fukushima. Philippe, what is the impact of the disaster on the rest of the world, including the Gulf region?
Japan still plays a huge role in the world of industries, and especially in the high-tech. Keep in mind that 40% of the world's components in the high-tech industry still comes from Japan, or 30% of the flashcard memories come from Japan. So the suspension of activity in these sectors will have ripple effect in the whole global supply chain of high-tech. Now, there's obviously consequences on the region because of the need to compensate for the shortfall of the shutdown of nuclear plants. So Qatar might be asked to step up in terms of providing more LNG product, although it is believed that the compensation of energy shortfall will come more from the coal industry, which doesn't come from this region.
Thank you very much for your insights. And now to our top stories. Telecom operator Etisalat is looking to invest $15 billion into its high-speed fiber optic network over the next 5 years in a bid to make the UAE one of the top 5 internet-connected countries across the globe. Chairman Mohammed Omran said fiber optics will be the backbone of the company's high-speed internet network as it competes with other operators in the region. He added that Etisalat is looking to make itself less dependent on its home market and reach out further to the regional and international markets. Dubai witnessed 12 billion dirhams worth of real estate transactions in 2010. That's according to the Dubai Land Department. Director General Sultan Buti bin Mehrin said the numbers are promising considering the downturn. Jones Lang LaSalle revealed that Dubai's real estate supply will fall by a third this year. The Emirates' property prices fell over 60% from their peak in 2008. And continuing with the property sector, it appears that hot property in the UAE is now within industrial space. Small industrial and logistics buildings are said to be the best performing sector within the real estate industry this year. Analysts say warehouses and logistics centers are becoming hugely popular for tenants as well as attractive investment opportunities for buyers. Property company Cushman & Wakefield ranked Abu Dhabi the 10th most expensive industrial real estate market in the world. Analysts say industrial areas provide relatively low risk and steady income. And in our fast financial news, Emirates MBD is looking to pump 50 million dirhams into hiring and training nationals. The bank's chairman, Ahmad Humaid Al-Tayyer, says the UAE is working towards ways to improve the very low employment rate among nationals and that job creation has political, economic and social returns for the Emirates. Work has officially started on the 2.2 billion dirham Mafraq hospital in Abu Dhabi. The development is a joint venture between the Al Habtoor Leighton Group and Murray Roberts for the Abu Dhabi Health Services Company. The project is due for delivery in 2014. Cotton trading within Dubai's multi-commodity center rose to $100 million since trading began in 2008. The commodity marketplace is looking to become a main link within the world's cotton trade. An increased number of commodity firms are continuing to establish themselves within the DMCC, from gold and diamond to energy trading companies. DMCC currently has over 2,800 registered member companies, 170 new firms registered since the start of this year. H&H Investment and Development, a Dubai-based boutique property developer, announced the official launch of a 300 million dirham project in Business Bay. Construction of the 22-story tower began in 2007. The developer already sold 90% of the office space. And after the break, we will run you through what's making the headlines in international business today.